Hey guys, so this is the unboxing of the BLU Dash Jr. or JR K smartphone, unlocked, white by BLU. So this is how the box looks like. And what it has. Okay, comes with the headset, battery, charger, data cable, manual, headset again. Oh no, the other one's handset, sorry. So this is a stereo headset and it comes with a screen protector. Okay, oops, sorry. Right. It's made in China, well, assembled in China, designed by BLU in Miami. Okay. So it comes with different colors. I got the white one. Again, this is the unlocked version. Okay. It looks like it comes with, it looks like yellow to me, blue, black, pink, and white. Okay. Okay. Alright. Again, this is the white version. Got the white one. What's inside here? Okay. This is the headset. Alright. This looks like the cable. Alright. And this looks like the battery. And this is like the one that you plug in for the power. Okay. What else is inside here? Alright. It's empty now. Okay. This is the manual. Okay. What else? Oh, okay, so this is the screen protector. Okay. So now I got this from Amazon. And if you're a Prime member, it's currently on sale for $39.33, but the original price is $49. Okay, it has very good reviews, and I'm gonna test it out. And that's it for my unboxing.